Hi friends, today we'll discuss what is Micro ATM. Financial inclusion, a strategy to facilitate branches banking in villages. Financial inclusion means people are not using banking service, bring them into the banking activities or banking services is financial inclusion. As part of financial inclusion, Micro ATM also introduced, where branchless banking in villages, where you don't have a big branches or big bank branches, where you want to do a banking transactions, Micro ATM is used transactions, where the population is around 2000 rupees, where you can use the Micro ATM services. Through Micro ATM services, you can do the banking transactions. A device that is issued by million business correspondent to deliver the basic banking services. The Micro ATM is used by the business correspondents. They are not directly employees of the bank, but they are the business correspondents. They do the Micro ATM operations. Enable business correspondent who could be a local kirana shop owner will act as a Micro ATM. It is not like that you need a separate employee. In a village, a kirana shop owner can act as a Micro ATM, or somebody having a small super bazaar or fancy shop, he can act as a Micro ATM to conduct instant transaction. So cost will be low cost devices. Micro ATMs are low cost devices. It is not like our regular ATM. So regular ATM, it will cost around 5 to 10 lakhs, or you want to go for the advanced version, it can be up to 20 lakhs also. But these Micro ATMs are low cost devices. Type of activities you can do through Micro ATM. You can do cash withdrawal, cash deposit, fund transfer, balance inquiry. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.